So many people, they have some things I'm going to share with Uno because I share with Uno earlier on about Shay and how Shay get exposed and them something it seen, and in the expose when she get exposed on the hear her Babyfada in the recording I say some dirty things about her and thing, right? So you are going to know my people. She forward to clear up her name and clear up everything, and guess who come with her, come clear up everything my people. Our Babyfada. You see me I say? So right away, we're going to hear from Shay and we're going to hear from our Babyfada. Also, my people, we have Rosealee. You see me I say? We have Rosealee. Make sure cuss out. You don't know Rosealee good for cussing long time. So Rosealee come for the people them. You see me I say? We are talking about she and her mother, man. She make sure make them know say whatever go on with she and her mother seen, and also start about why she and her mother don't talk. So all of that we are gonna share with all of my people. So me I say, and boy may I tell you, this is a long something what I go on. Me don't know if me don't know why it go on so long my people. But you are going to know, now your father come out and expose the one with the firing the first, you know, you see the one who blame them, did I say, unalive Naya for the $1 million? Yes, my people, when I go hear some voice note and sitting with him assess on things, you know what I mean, and it make it look like we blame them, did I say, a ghost of a true. You understand? So me I go leave everything for Uno, cause me no come here to say who do this or who do that, but just I share with Uno because I wouldn't want to be in a position where a person I say yo a point finger and not no go so. You see what I say? I'll do it's a long story, me never go into that. But you are going people, we're gonna jump right tonight, you know. And maybe me share other things with Uno if anything won't pop up. So we're gonna get in right now, people.
Right here, I'm not in prison, I'm not in lockup, nothing at all, but my son right in front of me every day. Me never ever work at one nursing home. Never ever have a black patient. All of my patient them is white.
And rich.
And rich is either them mother is a lot, them daughter, because who hire me for work with them is either them daughter is a liar, them son is a police, all of them something there. Okay? There's no way, if y'all seen the video, how can you see a video with a stiff key with black and says a patient out of one pampers? Me never have a black patient yet.
How you feeling? Say hi to your baby mother.
What is your problem? Yes.
I mean call him.
O'Neil, you don't get better yet?
Remember, so me always sick long, you know, she me a old man.
O'Neil.
Oh, wait then.
You're sick. You're sick, but me and you talk about something. So, me just still, because these people still talking about your lime green underpants you tell me about, where them say a pampas. So the live a listen. Talk again.
Listen, make them talk, my Babyfada.
Them mama pussy a pampas.
Right.
Shay, listen now, you know, and I tell you this already. Me say me never have the underpants the same way, you know. And even lime green, I don't remember, I think I bleach. Me bleach something in the underpants get to in it.
Yeah.
That's why it have the color there. But what them problem? Yeah, your Babyfada have sex. Pan a chair.
Them say I'm a patient. My patient. So me I say me never have a black patient where them old stiff so. Me not deal with black people and white people me deal with.
That thing you have papers?
No, me never have no paper. Yeah.
That time you're pregnant?
Yeah.
Yeah? When you put out that video there, we be a band, oh?
Yeah.
And I think you have some orange card or something like that.
Yeah.
You never had that work?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
They never had a work. You could have worked from through me, but you never had a work, Shay.
Okay.
You start work when you get your 5-year card. Dennis can remember you to your mother, eh?
Yeah.
You start work when you get your 5-year card.
Okay.
That video they gone long. Before when you hear about that video, I think I call in daughter me here with it, you know. Mm-hmm. My friend daughter, and I say, Shay, when you put out the video you for?
Yeah.
And then me hear them I say pamper. So me I say, but me never sick. Shay never see me. The only time Shay see me sick is when we catch corona, me, you and Zanaya. Mm-hmm. That's the only time we sick together when we catch corona. And we just say, all right, I could go test it there. As me years say me have corona, me are dead in the house. You and Zanaya run up and down. Yeah. And me start dead. Yeah. You never see me sick yet for wear pampers or nothing. Why you make these people a bother you?
No, them not bother me, you know.
All style.
Them just keep on the patient in a pampers. Me I say, everybody come. I say, is my baby father. Yeah. Is my baby father.
The answer. Good pussy need to fucking all style.
Right.
Scandal bag, pampers, rubbish pan. Anywhere me want fuck you, me fuck you.
All style.
Tell them come suck me.
Right.
Simple. and then should I say, oh, we leave? Look right now, what am I going to say? You do threesome now.
Yes.
What am I going to say now?
Yes.
In mode.
But tell her now,
sorry, we never take some picture. I just show me sick.
I don't know, man. I show you sick, man.
You don't know when we sick. When me sick, become like baby in a share. You know me, you know. Become like baby. Me can't take sickness, you know.
Yeah, for true.
You see me? Them don't know how we are live. Shay, that's why I tell you, don't pay the dead dog. Them no mind. I tire leaf about them. We are worried about them for your house full of grocery every day. Yeah, your mama live good life. Where them there?
Where are they? Where them there right now?
One pampers. What pampers? I rub pampers and patient.
I mean, never walk.
Who them there? What is who this so interested in?
I remember, alright, when Crystal come at the yard one day, me and I did that talk, she said she had a girl, Rosealee. The big cow, the big black girl.
We can't spell her name.
Yeah, but can't spell.
You stay there waste your time. You stay there waste your time before you go open a school and teach her. Our back look like my new fridge.
Are they big enough? Are your fridge big enough?
Our fucking back look like my new fridge with a split in night. Me don't know whose side to open. So calm, mama. Shade, you know, so you go bed, you know. I'm going to bed and go. You know, you just don't ring today when me and tell Crystal say, better tomorrow, you know, try my baby mother go for road, go fight, you know.
Yeah.
A man look by you, she go war, you know. And that me and tell her today, you know. Okay. You make that Rosealee bother you. We make me new fridge now. Look just like our back with a split.
Sure.
She don't know say me I call you O'Neal.
Until I leave you alone, Shay don't pay the people in mind your life good.
Exactly. Dirty people there.
Alright, the people, so me kinda understand the first voice note where alright, the video what me share before this one with the man I talk about everything about Shay, me kinda understand, you know, because me hear the man voice and this man sound like a bigger man for her, you see me, elder man for her. So here me feel like, you know, cause I don't know how some big man turn them miserably, you know, and them like things a certain type of way, right? And maybe she, you know, she younger than him, so she really, you know, have that type of like responsibility kind of thing sort out properly. And as I said before, like she can suffer from postpartum depression also. See, so maybe, you know what I mean, him never like, oh, she deal with the place and whatever, and him just say some things because him did also in him feelings and whatever. Look, you know, at the two of them, you know, clap back at the naysayers, and you hear man this up Rosealee too. So wait till Rosealee hear this and go for him. You see me I say? But more know how them mistaken under pan for pamper. Eh? Let me know what you think, my people. We are watch some more.
Remember, tell them in that sky you sleep, you know. When me look up at your bill and I say, Shay, them so brave. But Shay gonna get out so far. I look up at your building while you me drive fast.
Yeah.
I in the sky you sleep, you're blessed. What the fuck you whole argument to these people for?
We don't pay them, man. We can't bother.
So now pay them man.
We can't bother.
Because some never hear down in. So me have to make them hear your voice. Because some of them not hear it, you know.
Yeah, because I don't know they get this thing as me eat Shay. And me Shay, you baby.
Them a idiot. Them a idiot.
Mad people, them man. They just a look at attention. While we're doing TikTok lockdown, everybody's supposed to have beer, right?
Diarrhea.
Supposed to have shit.
Them shit right through.
More Shay for bother.
Right?
Yeah.
Them shit right through.
I mean, I tell you, say, you know, all who hate her, you know, me hate you, but me miss you. Them people are them sick on heel. The people them come in our inbox. Me hate you, but me miss you.
Because she is a loving person.
Yeah.
I hate her for long. I tell them, I can't sit down right. So she sit down right. So I tell her, I say, listen now. When me sick, me no like couple up and them something.
Yeah.
She always sit far from me.
Yeah.
And me sit way down here, so.
True.
And me I tell her, I say, try not go up on road and do no foolishness and think I make my baby mother get problem. Because one thing you can tell her, her head will high in again.
Yeah.
High in a hand to her.
Aye.
No, say it again.
We only remember them always a say no. Me hear them a say, me fuck out the whole of Belgium. I'ma make them know say listen.
Studio me call your name, call Crystal or text Crystal or ask Crystal. The studio me call the name and tell her that. So one thing with my baby mother, her head high.
Crazy.
High.
No boy.
If a boy not say O'Neil, can't say hi to her.
No boy.
And Shadi not a friend and me not a friend.
Alright. Me tell him say me not keep friend.
You see my house, you see nobody a ring my bell.
No, that I same thing.
See, then that me I tell her today. And when you go to like, if you go up on the road with her, you can see the difference.
Yeah.
She not friendly. She not high.
No, me not chat to people. Me tell Krista, me say Krista, me not chat to people. So you know me, when me go road, I just me and una alone. Me not talk to people. I mean I to people because remember say my baby father have a lot of enemies, so I don't speak to people.
Me tell her so sometime in a house we are 2 years we not go that way.
Yeah.
I no bother way.
No bother way for true.
No, them people up on TikTok think say
He
you have to
bother
run
way
up and
and
down
down.
for people go out. That no bother me.
We are there. Come here, my baby father. Then them not say, cause them keep on and say me a refugee and me nah no papers. How much time you tell me say me fi pick up myself and go on to Jamaica, you will buy me ticket.
Okay. When I think of one day me I tell your mama that the same thing, you know. Me I say go look for JR. Even I 2 Christmas now me I tell you if you go and woman are you get the people them chat by you know. One ex-girl for me did call and say, yeah, take up for Shay and the papers. I'm just going on my phone and send her your ID. And when she said, blood clot people wicked, I'm just delete it back.
Right, because you have my ID in your phone.
Okay.
Me have your ID and you have my one.
Yeah.
True. Me have to tell them, say, listen now, I'm a baby father, I'm a picnic, give me papers. Me no know when I talk about this papers problem. Me not in a papers worries.
Every day them.
Me not in a papers worries. I mean, I want to go Jamaica.
You go Jamaica 100 times and come up. Me no know, but sometimes it good follow your mind, yeah, shit.
And that me I do O'Neil. And that me I do my dinner set. If me say me nah go down there, me nah go down there. When me ready, me go.
You can go anywhere right now. Any small island you can go. Anywhere right now you can go 28 countries in Europe. Tell them to watch ice.
And that them
fi do.
Blood clot. Tell them ice and melt down upon them now. The whole of them over there. Ice and melt. So they don't pay them money, man. Go and do that thing.
Alright. Yeah, later.
Big up.
Krista, go as they pay your TikTok because she come back, she can't blood clot sleep.
I'm because you're sick.
Me that Pierre the bite. Tell her she get the something for tomorrow.
You know me, Shay, you know me. When me not have money, me not pay a woman mind.
True.
When me sick, me say far. When my pity them not have a son, me stay.
True, man. The baby
So
never sleep.
When me sick, me have a little thing where you call it mood swing.
Yes.
You know, your mood swing wicked than my one, but still.
Lord Jesus, talk about it on you.
Yeah, me have it when me sick. Do not like, you know.
She have it right through.
Yeah. The woman they just get up and just make one bread, one egg. I say, you want piece? Fuck you. If you don't want, you don't want. Just close our door and gone. And for the whole day, not high, not buy. Wicked mood sing them there.
Sick in her head, man. You ever say you're sick in her head?
We don't live on a life, man. I make a dirty drunk of them leave.
Yeah, true. Crystal ready for tomorrow?
Ready till she can't see me, and if I flight, she have blood. No. You know me not go nowhere, Shay.
Alright then, tomorrow.
You see, the people say sometimes you really have to just mindful of what you do. Think before you do it, think before you say it, because you don't know what you are going to say in a moment of anger and how far it will reach and how detrimental it can be to the other person and even to yourself. Same way. You see me? Because look how the two of them this again. Because remember our Babyfada, them have to communicate because of the youth. You understand? So sometimes you get in a moment and you lash out on a person and then you take it back and I say John no star. You know what I mean? But that's how life set up still, and that's how it go with woman and man. You see it? So we watch some more people and then we move on to the next.
You know, say nothing.
Yeah, man. Later.
I wanna feel now. I wanna feel.
You don't even know me I call it.
I don't even know say Cked I call my Babyfada. I wanna feel. Because every day you no come, Babyfada. Me, my Babyfada. Me, my Babyfada, Queenie, and my Babyfada woman. The four we good. And tomorrow we are go out. Me gonna make you see my Babyfada woman. Yeah. The true we are going to take picture. True, my Babyfada sick, him can't come. But me, she and Queenie are go tomorrow Saturday. We're going outside. We're going to take picture. We're going to show now. Come and always tell my Babyfada, you can't pick up no scrubber. You have to pick up, you can't live from upgrade to downgrade, so you have to pick up somebody who upgrade. And you the woman upgrade, him woman look good. Look good. Stay good. Yeah. We don't have nothing for cuss girl and tell girl. Me no bitter, you know. You see me? Me no bitter. You see me in our relationship and me left. Me and woman them supposed to alright. Me no bitter. Cause guess what? Me move on, you move on. We don't bitter. No bitterness not the right so. Some man no too bitter no come like bitter girl. Me and him not in a nothing. Some not supposed to have up the woman and hate the woman. No bro. You crazy? Me not have nothing to bitter about me. So when you come and paint one picture like me is this person. I'm not that person. Cause me no bitter. Me no keep up. Me feel like say everyone I'm a baby mother everyone I'm Babyfada, baby mother them, me and them would are good. But because them bitter, them too bitter. They fi have me up for everything. But me no stay so. Me no stay so. If you're bitter against me, then I saw you go. I'm bitter against you back. But if you don't bitter against me, me good. You understand? So as long as say you move on, me have one relationship, you have a whole new relationship, it's okay. It's fine. It's no problem. Me like my Babyfada woman. She nice. Nice bad. me tell her, if you no bit against me, me no bit against you. And all the time my baby father tell her, say, call my baby mother, she good. She not there nothing, you know, she no stay, say no, she no bit on them something, you know. She will talk to you as long as you talk to her, she will talk to you. You know, him say a while ago, him say, him tell her, say, make sure when you and my baby mother go out tomorrow, you know, make sure go warn nobody, cause her head no good. Me no want you make sure get herself another problem. Yes, so me no bitter. Me no stay so. Uno too bitter man, no come like bitter girl, no have up girl and eat girl like a girl. Me not them type of, me no stay so, me can't bother with that. Me
people don't tell me if you're not here, let me turn it down. Hold on. Pull up, let me turn it down. Cause me want to know here. People don't tell me if you're not here. Pull up, now I've got to stop it in between. You know the man say, I'll know, hold on. Me play back people and show me want to know here, me go quote and quote it. Yeah? Because I want to know here, you know. Listen, play.
Man, those boys and all of them, man, like the dog, they know so they need to run when we can't tell them so they're good and them are free to run the same way. You see? I know me and I am not talking, so how them are run with.
Alright.
Look like them guilty charge it. And but me and I have to talk, because then I saw them have no way to do enough charge it. But me and I talk, then every man have...
Pull up. People don't hear what the man say. I crush bread that I talk, and I hear what the man say. Man say, man, I ain't talking yet. And the man them a run away. And if the man them run away, I diss him and them diss him. People don't listen, you know, don't listen, because I play it. Alright.
No, what to do. You hear that? I know me and I am not talking. Just give my heads up, say if we talk, and we're going to talk later on. You see? But the man when me hear say I plan to run, and the man when me hear say I run with and stay so on them man there. The man can't do that, brother. The man them a run with them have to cut with them feelings.
Pull up. You hear what the man say? The man say stay so and them man there a run away. And if the man them can't do that, because guess what now? If the man them run away, he can't catch them, that a one. Or if the man them run away, him don't know what the man them a think. And if the man them a run away, the man them can't run away, left them parents. That means if the man them run left them parents, automatically he might go touch them parents. Just listen. Yeah? Alright, and me a talk, you know. Me just a quote.
I forgot with their father, and I forgot with their mother, because I'm not a mother that. When they go run with some brother, it will look like say a fool and take me for, or a war, they want to pray. When a man run away, that means a man run represent on the things and come back on the things. You know that. If you are run away, just run away with your parents, them brother. Yeah, the Ricky Toffee boy, none of them not left the place. Stay so not left the place.
Stay so not left the place. Dust boy not left the place.
3 men, somebody they not left the place. Joe not left the place.
I don't even know who that. Musa brother.
You hear that? Couple more name did it. Sandman. Up there saying more live Rosealee. Me not laugh with them. Sandman, Naya right hand. Naya because.
Yeah.
We don't show you.
Listen.
$1 million more than Naya.
Pull up. People don't hear that. When I listen again, me pull it back. No play it again, you know, but I want to pull it back. For the ear. Let me see. Pull up.
So I just talk when I hear you say you want to talk to me.
Pull up. Pull up.
Me and him go talk later, but
alright, play again.
Some brother, it will look like say.
Now listen, people.
Or a war, they want to pray. When a man run away, that means a man run represent on the things.
Listen now. Now you have to give man $1 million.
Your parents, them brother. Yeah,
listen, people.
Ricky Toffee boy, none of them not left the place.
Ricky Toffee boy, you know not left the place. Stay so not left the place. Dust boy not left the place.
3 men,
3 men people. Joe, not left the place. Musa brother.
Yeah, hear that. Couple more name did it. Sandman.
Up
there saying more live Rosealee. Me not laugh with them. Sandman and Naya right hand. Need to chat to Naya because
Listen, people.
I'm gonna show you. $1 million more on top of Naya.
Yeah.
So I don't just talk when Naya him say you want to talk to me. I don't say talk go bro.
Pull up.
Hey, you see words from your mouth? Remember me tell you say it a go define you. And it them a go use against you. You see what I say? So right away you know. Him can't come say too much, you know, because them a voice note are very telling. So him can't come say too much like when Blam them did a say him do this and him do that and him did a say this and say that. Him can't come defend this, you know, after them a voice note, yeah. You understand what I say? Because this very telling. Because how can you say a man fi give you this and give you that and you don't know where man make, and then you are going to say the man them not fi gone away, because if them gone away you don't know where them are pray. So if you want to miss when me fit turn up yourself and wait for you if you can do, yo boy, me I tell you see this Dan culture where in a Jamaica are one of the worst thing. Me I tell you no people, one of the worst thing ever. And the people them don't see the damage rate I do. Like the people them who in it, them don't see damage rate I do. It don't look like them see it. You understand what I say? Them play a blind eye to certain things because at the end of the day a person don't want to lose them 3 points, right? So he now go on say nothing now. But if everybody come against this thing, oh, them are go run this. Boy, I don't know. People are living it for years and top of years and it not change. So make them live in it. But me definitely don't want to live in nothing like that. But let me know one thing with people. We can watch some more.
People don't listen. A man want $1 million off a Naya. So what? Me no know. Naya want talk to him. He must say, I'm not even talk when Naya want talk to him. Want to no listen, no, because I play it back again. But me only a quote unquote, that mean when I play it, and you can listen, because I play it back. But to no listen, and me a talk, you know.
Me and him go talk later, but you have to see how things Cked. That's why me and him not talk for a while. You see, I make him see how things Cked, and then me and him talk from that. Tell the dog them say no man no run me, them a cut with their mother and their father. Yeah, bad dog. And then brother and then little sister them, because my brother them child kill. Big up yourself in a matter.
Alright, that I went up on Akeem phone. Akeem phone. That depend. I remember me tell you say we are Akeem the same place. Every time I got a little youth, we did it, because we come down, we are Akeem them dead. Akeem. This come off Akeem phone. Now we play it again because guess what? We want to know listen on yourself. Me now go say nothing this trip, listen. We want to know listen people, me play it again. Alright, listen. Crush brother talk, listen.
Boy, and all of them man, like the dog them know so them need to run when we can't tell them say them good and them a prefer run the same way. You see? I know me and I not talk it, so how them a run with. They just look like them guilty charge it. But me and I have to talk first, you know, then so them a gonna know what to do in a charge it. But me and I talk then every man a gonna know what to do. You hear that? I know me and I not talk it. Just give my heads up say we talk and we're gonna talk later on. You see? But the man when me hear say I plan to run right, the man when me hear say I run with like face on them man there. The man can't do that brother. The man them a run with them have to cut with them parents charge it. Have to cut with them father and have to cut with them mother because me not a mother dog. When them go run with some brother, it will look like say a fool them take me for or a war them a pray. When a man run with that mean a man run with the same gun do things and come back on the things. Me not in that. If you are run with, just run with your parents, them brother. Yeah, the Ricky Toffee boy, none of them not left the place. Steers are not left the place. Those boy not left the place. You hear that? 3 men, so they not left the place. Joe not left the place. That a Musa brother, he not left the place. You hear that? Couple more name did it. Sandman. Up there saying live, up there saying more live Rosealee. Me not laugh with them. Sandman and Naya right time. Need to chat to Naya because we don't show you $1 million more than Naya. So I don't just talk with Naya and say you want to talk to me. I don't say talk good, bro. Me and him go talk later, but you have to see how things clear. That's why me and him not talk for a while. You see, I make him see all the things clear, and then me and him talk from that. Tell the dog them said no man no run me. Them a cut with their mother and their father. Yeah, bad dog. And their brother and their little sister them. Because my brother them child killed. Big up yourself, you know, my brother.
Alright, people, wanna hear that for yourself. Wanna hear that for yourself, and guess what now? No capping, that is before Naya drop. That are before Naya drop. Yes, that are before Naya drop. You see what I say? That are before Naya drop. And remember, when I listen to that man thing where people them send to me, man say never ask them man if it nothing yet. Never ask them man the amount of 50,000 they ask for. Or they ask somebody for give you them. And you hear that, and you hear that, don't? And you hear that, guess what now? I'm going to play the next voice note now. When Naya drop, after Naya drop. And guess what now? You see, this voice note, I'm family this, that I'm cousin. The youth when in tree print, say this. May they play this today, so who they and hear it are the same thing when I go hear. Who not hear it, and you just go and listen. This are from tree print. You see it? Yes. Tree print call and left give that voice message here. Tree print. And the youth this way in a Naya video. If you look on the video when in a rough time, him are the man who bend down and start that video, yeah, him and Naya brethren. All away. As me I tell you all me, because him in a my video too. The video when you can't change. You see me? Yes. The video when you can't change him that in I just the same. You see it? And if you cannot make them talk, yeah, that is why you say me done in a hear them thing and him could have said something. Listen to this. Trey Print I said this.
From that, you even know from that. Yeah, bro, G. I ain't the idea man you have. Ego and thing, bro. I know nothing about I that bad man. Everything that from that. Long that time, this is there, but I feel to you and I feel today, and I tell you the next to you. No, no, I want bro, me up, I'm gonna feel please, both of them, you see?
People me have got stop this and talk. Me have got talk and then me play it. So
Alright, my people. Me is a person where I only want to see a person get blamed for something what them not do. Right? But all of these voice note and all of this information, what them a do with it? Just to come show the internet? Them need to take actions if them feel like say this person analyze them people. And that's why me are telling them say people now be careful what I do when it come to telling people say you go do this and you go do that and in an argument with people, because persons will find the right opportunity to take out a person when them did inner things with, and you just am feeling things with the person, you know, and them take out that person and the finger point on you. More time out of the percentage of the wrong person get blamed. That's just my opinion still. But let me know one thing with people. Make go watch some more cause you know.
I can get a full understanding. This one I when Naya dead. Listen again, let me start over. Tree print said this after Naya dead, and the whole of them are family. Whole of them are one link. Everything. Just listen.
Trust all about that, you only
The man saying frost.
yeah,
The man saying frost.
I ain't the idea man you have. Ego man thing, bro, I know nothing about Naya that bad.
Him don't know nothing about Naya dead.
Long that time, this is there, but I feel to you and I feel today, and I tell you the next to bro, no, no, I want bro, I'm gonna feel please, both of them, you see?
The man saying say to them, say none of where I go on. The man saying say to them, none of where I go on, him no feel pleased about it. Tree Printer said that. Listen, cause I remember me I go play it for the year, you know, but me I go and narrate this.
I feel pleased about it, bro. See, Man, them still grow go back and do what they not do that. Right now, man, I mix me and them things. So right now, brain and run because that, believe that, buy that. Nah, but they have it about kill me, bro. Hear that charge it. Pay me tell the G. Right now, we have pre-burn. I just a cheap, but just dog, you don't even know, bro. I hear that, dog. Just a cheap, but just do it, man. If I know and take my one life, bro.
You hear what man say? To a man. The man a cry, the man a cry, and the man say this a sheep in taking one life. Because the man don't know which side for really a balance span, whether the side there or the side there. You see it, listen people.
And kill me charge you over the fucking road in the business more that day. Tell the father. Believe bro. Alright, I know me a pray on the side of my mates and my mates fuck up in the dark. And I say you by end idea bro. Because first thing I'm gonna go pray and then I'm gonna say what print family them. Anytime print can feel that way I say yo, we wanna take revenge or what bro. You know safe dog. That the man they such man I go pray me that plus them the man they still a go have me half away bro. So I'm not sure you that by end idea cause
you hear that? The man say anyhow him come there come talk, the man them a go have him half away. The man them a go have him away. Brother, listen.
And right now stick it on me because me I tell you straight in a dog. Big woman thing from dog, stick your fuck you. I know they are so bad man, see them bad man, I beat you in the same time, yeah, but they want to make man them have to kill you because you bad man dog. I have so much my life in a jeopardy bro. Them things that me makes bad man, that makes my life dog, that makes me look at all move about you dog. Let me tell you, right now we fuck up bro, you don't even know that. Right now we in our spot brother, you don't even know bro.
See that? The man in our spot.
Dog, you don't even know my feel right now bad man, you don't even know dog. Think the man them with a load that brother dog man, you dog.
Pull up. The man saying think the man would allow that. Think the man would allow that and a fucker and go on with. Listen, the man know.
Dog, you don't even know my feel right now bad.
Listen.
You don't even know dog.
3 print attack, 3 print.
Think the man them with a load that brother dog man, you dog.
Yeah, that.
Fucker go and charge any man them and the man mother pay off the man brother for low certain things.
Pull up. You hear that? The man mother pay off the man for just low certain things, brethren. Now play it back. I'm gonna hear it again. You see it? Listen, you know, when you listen.
Dog, you don't even know my feel right now, bad man. You don't even know dog. Think the man them with a load that brother dog man, you dog. Fucker them go and charge any man them and the man mother pay off the man brother for low certain things, bad man and they still go behind back and do it man, you dog.
You hear that?
This is a man they want to see man dead brother man, you dog. Bro, they are foreign in the dog when the man dog go catch them the brother with the hand of you.
You hear?
With the hand of dog.
Listen.
A man there, bro, I'm there on the command them dog and I want to loyalty, brother. When time they're there on the man, them a show them love, man, them a pray to kill me, you. Pray them thing there, dog. Eh? They're on the dog, them a show them man, them love, and the man, them a pray to kill me, dog, just because of my body man family, brother. Dog, you don't even know, bro, yeah.
People, I know me talk. I go play it back again. A 3 print this attack. I want to hear the one before, I want to hear the one after. I'm going to play it again, and then we can play the one again before, so you can listen. Alright. Then I'm going to take up some people in the box, so anybody who wants to say, just say. When I'm going to play this again, listen again, people.
What's all about that? You don't even know from that. Yeah, Rosealee. I ain't the idea, man, you know. Ego man thing, bro. I know nothing about that, but everything is from that. Long that time, this is there, but I feel for you.
How my mother don't look eye to eye. Girl, me not even come come on blood clot social media, come tell no big pussy fly hole nobody, for tell nobody.
Well, people, I fear our business is true, but more you wanna think because if she not talk, why? Then it's like people are gonna speculate and them are gonna say, "Are the man?" You see me? That enough of the people them are gonna say, "Are the man cause it?" You see it? But teeth and tongue meet them live in the same place. Me sure say them are friend too. You know what I mean? Them just now see eye to eye right now. You see it? So let me know what they think with people. We can watch some more.
Why? Me and my mother don't see eye to eye. No time. I'm a big woman. So all who still await, all who await, sit down and wait. All who await, sit down and wait. All who still on a blood clot, wait for me, still don't come tell you why me and my mama don't look eye to eye. Sit the fuck down and wait. Because you couldn't know. You understand? All of them will come from me. Where no one blood clot come from. Yeah. I never tell you so. I never tell you so. I live in a fancy and dandy. But tell you so I catch somewhere. But they don't tell us I'm not live nowhere, so I don't reach in a house argument. I catch some effort with me two with them till better come. Me alright. Me go and live by eyelash, teeth and two for the time being. I don't know the whole I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't know two blood clot much. And them they kill this sibling always do the one make a cross the girl in the box to come talk about all with them the blood clot no for them no know them no know. And so me now come still and make them feel like say me care. Me not care. Me not care. Me not care. Barber! Can the light come let me baby. Me not care. All of who still and take me care. Me not give a blood clot. Me I live my 24 hours to the fullest. Today you see me, tomorrow me gone away. Suck on a blood clot, mama. Me not live for people. And them expectation, I want them to go blood clot say about me. Because me not clear up none anything when I want to about you, me not clear it up. Long as the girl I'm willing to still reach out and put to give I eat me there for. Look I'm suck out my hole. Yeah. Long as Munchie will come here and there's blood clot, girl. Munchie lovely and there's blood clot, girl. We come here and dash two give fight me come for. Me not come for so long and blood clot, but me I clear up the blood clot here. Clear up with the mama big thinking hole and someone will come on platform and I talk about me. Someone will come on platform and a giant back and I talk about me. Check on the blood clot family history. Worse than mine. I'm gonna clear up rumors, you know. Top girl not clear up rumors. We make a run who don't want to run with because I don't care. Top girl not clear up rumors. No run who don't want to run. That's not with me. Yeah. Because someone will find us, so no man a batty man and love, no man will not left him. I will not fuck toes about it, no go do no man same way and keep it on the hush and go like you don't know. Star and scuminar, blood clot scuminar. Me don't know what pastor no girl. And on here on the internet, run with it. Run with it. Me not company internet come. You ever see Kartel of a company? You ever see Kartel as a blood clot giant in our world company internet come clear up nothing yet? Internet come clear up nothing yet? Them don't even look. Anything one want to say about me no business star and scuminar. Huh? Anything one want blood class about me say that not enough to do with me. Long as me come here and people come still come here and still and listen, that not enough to do with me. Because I'm telling you this in a lie, people. Every single individual where you are compound back on a chat. Them worse. Alright. The first person come on the internet with that story, Shay. The first person come on the internet with that story, Shay. I'm gonna check if Shay profile no worse than mine. Shay don't even have a character. The first person come on the internet with that story is Shay. And Shay don't even have a character. When you check Shay background, Shay don't even have a character. She don't even have that. Yeah. She's the first one to come on the internet with them the foolishness there. I want to check Shay file, dig up Shay file and turn it back over. She doesn't even have a blood clot character. She literally a nobody. She does literally a nobody. When I dig up the whole of she and everything about she, I say look, sometimes I never look at her. So I never been a look on she, and that's why I just make she chat, I'm just low. I've been a look on her, come and know them and nobody. So nobody want the clout and the hype and the views, man, yeah. Cause every single body, whether upon the earth, have something in them family. Any one of them family, whether I'm a thief, murderer, rapist, an artist, every single body have that. Me not gonna be the first and me not gonna be the last. We not go like on a surprise. When I feel like say me not gonna come on social media and tell them say, oh no, I never take my mother money. Yes, I took him. Run with it. From last year, and I said the one story and sit in a jerk man, come back again.